Welcome back to Sushi Codes, where we game, we dev, and we talk tech. I'm Allison, and today we are coming to you with a little bit of a Unity tip. So if you use Unity, and especially if you're a little bit newer to Unity, you may have the problem where you click play, and then you forget that you're in play mode. And then you make edits to things in your editor, and once you exit from play mode, everything gets lost because your changes in the editor don't persist. So how do we fix that? There's actually a really easy, simple way to do this. So if you're on Windows, go to Edit and Preferences. And this window for your preferences will pop up. If you are on a Mac, you can get the same window by going to Unity Preferences. From here, click on Colors, and you see that this Playmode Tint color under General is currently gray. That's the default, which means that when you go into play mode, it's still gray, so you can't really tell that there's a difference. You can click on this and choose any color you like. I like purple, so I go with purple. And then once you exit out of this and go into play mode again, voila, you can see now that you're in play mode. It's really obvious that you're in play mode. So once you have this working, you won't mistake it anymore. So yeah, that's just a little Unity tip that will make your life easier if you are a game dev in Unity. So if you enjoyed this Unity tip, hit that sub button and like this video, because we will have lots more tips coming up, and let us know what you thought in the comments. We'll see you next time. Bye!